If you've lost access to your Goose VPN account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Goose VPN website. Go to the official Goose VPN website using your web browser. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Goose VPN account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the recovery email is sent to the correct address. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Create a new, secure password that you can remember, and then log into your account with the new credentials. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Goose VPN account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Goose VPN's customer support for further assistance.